Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is an essential vitamin for the proper functioning of the human body. It plays a crucial role in the formation of red blood cells, cellular metabolism, nervous system function, and DNA production, the genetic material present in all cells. Vitamin B12 is vital for maintaining the health of the nervous system by aiding in the synthesis of myelin, a substance that coats and protects the nerves, allowing for effective nerve impulse transmission. Additionally, vitamin B12 is fundamental for energy metabolism because it helps convert food into usable energy for the body. It acts as a coenzyme in various biochemical reactions, assisting in the breakdown of carbohydrates and fats. A deficiency in vitamin B12 can lead to a range of health problems, including megaloblastic anemia, a condition where red blood cells are larger than normal and do not function properly, causing fatigue and weakness. Another important aspect of vitamin B12 is its role in mental and cognitive health. Deficiency in this vitamin is linked to neurological and psychiatric issues, such as depression, memory problems, and even dementia. Vitamin B12 helps maintain homocysteine levels, an amino acid in the blood that, in high concentrations, can increase the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, maintaining adequate levels of vitamin B12 is essential for overall health and well-being. With all these important functions, have you ever wondered what could happen to your body if you have a deficiency in this vitamin? The damage can be numerous. But let me introduce you to the 5 most common signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. The first one is feeling tired all the time. A lack of vitamin B12 can cause extreme fatigue, weakness, and a feeling of exhaustion due to its crucial role in red blood cell production. Vitamin B12 is essential for the proper formation of these cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to all parts of the body. When there is a deficiency of B12, a specific type of anemia called megaloblastic anemia occurs, where red blood cells become larger and less efficient in oxygen transport. This results in a lower amount of oxygen available for tissues and organs, causing intense fatigue and weakness. Additionally, vitamin B12 plays an important role in energy metabolism. It is necessary for converting the food we eat into usable energy. When B12 levels are low, the body cannot metabolize nutrients efficiently, leading to reduced energy production. This energy deficit affects all bodily functions, leading to physical and mental exhaustion, even after simple daily activities. Now you know. That fatigue that never seems to go away could be a sign that your B12 levels are lower than they should be. The second sign is one of the most common: tingling and numbness in the extremities like your hands and feet. This is closely related to the health of our nerves. Vitamin B12 is super important because it helps form myelin, which acts as a protective layer for the nerves. When we don't have enough B12, this layer isn't produced correctly, and the nerves can end up getting damaged. This can result in tingling or even pain in the hands and feet, which is quite unpleasant. Additionally, vitamin B12 is also crucial for managing homocysteine, an amino acid that, if accumulated in excess, can be really bad for our nerves. Without enough B12, the body can't process homocysteine properly, and it builds up in the blood. This can cause even more damage to the nerves and blood vessels, intensifying the tingling and numbness you might be feeling. And it doesn't stop there. B12 also plays a role in producing red blood cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, including to the nerves. If the oxygen supply isn't right, it can further damage the nerves and increase the sensation of tingling and numbness. It's a tricky cycle, but taking care of your vitamin B12 levels is crucial to avoid these issues and maintain your quality of life, ensuring you can carry out your daily activities without too much trouble. The third factor is also related to the problem with myelin synthesis, the substance that coats and protects the nerves. A deficiency of B12 can also cause cognitive issues due to its crucial role in maintaining nervous system health and brain function. Without adequate B12 levels, myelin deteriorates, impairing effective communication between neurons. This impairment can lead to a variety of neurological and cognitive symptoms, including memory problems, difficulties concentrating, mental confusion, and, in severe cases, dementia. Moreover, vitamin B12 is essential for the production of neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. A deficiency in B12 can result in an imbalance in the production and release of these neurotransmitters, negatively affecting mood, clear thinking, and overall cognitive function. Problems such as depression, irritability, and mood swings are also common in people with B12 deficiency, which can further exacerbate cognitive symptoms. Another way vitamin B12 deficiency can impact cognitive function is through elevated levels of homocysteine in the blood. Vitamin B12 is needed to convert homocysteine into methionine, an amino acid vital for brain health. Without enough B12, homocysteine levels rise, which can cause damage to the blood vessels in the brain and increase the risk of cerebrovascular diseases. This vascular damage can lead to inadequate blood flow to the brain, resulting in cognitive impairment and increasing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The fourth symptom that can be caused by low B12 levels is gastrointestinal problems. Vitamin B12 deficiency can cause gastrointestinal issues due to its essential role in digestion and the health of the gastrointestinal lining. Vitamin B12 is needed for red blood cell production and cellular metabolism, including cells in the gastrointestinal tract. Without adequate B12, the lining of the stomach and intestines can deteriorate, leading to inflammation and problems such as gastritis or ulcers. These issues can manifest as abdominal pain, nausea, and loss of appetite. Additionally, vitamin B12 deficiency can affect nutrient absorption in the intestines. Vitamin B12 is primarily absorbed in the ileum, the last part of the small intestine, where its deficiency can impair the absorption of other essential nutrients like proteins and fats. This can lead to further gastrointestinal problems such as diarrhea or constipation, as well as a reduction in the absorption of vital nutrients, resulting in secondary nutritional deficiencies. Another important aspect is that vitamin B12 deficiency can cause a condition known as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, characterized by symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. Prolonged deficiency can lead to excessive bacterial growth in the small intestine, worsening these symptoms. Additionally, lack of B12 can lead to a compromised overall health state, contributing to discomfort and gastrointestinal distress, making it even harder to manage gastrointestinal symptoms. Finally, vitamin B12 deficiency can lead to anemia. Vitamin B12 deficiency can cause anemia due to its crucial role in red blood cell production. Vitamin B12 is essential for the proper formation and maturation of these cells, which are responsible for transporting oxygen from the lungs to the body's tissues and organs. Without enough B12, the bone marrow cannot produce healthy, normal red blood cells, resulting in larger than normal red blood cells called megaloblasts. These abnormal red blood cells are inefficient at oxygen transport, leading to a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. Furthermore, vitamin B12 plays a key role in DNA synthesis, which is crucial for cell division and red blood cell production. A deficiency in B12 impairs the bone marrow's ability to produce mature, functional red blood cells. As a result, there is a decrease in the number of red blood cells available to transport oxygen, causing anemia symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, pallor, and shortness of breath. Another factor contributing to B12-related anemia is its impact on the nervous system and gastrointestinal function. Prolonged deficiency can lead to inadequate absorption of essential nutrients, worsening anemia. Poor absorption of B12, often caused by conditions like atrophic gastritis or lack of intrinsic factor, a protein needed for B12 absorption, exacerbates the problem, perpetuating the cycle of deficiency and anemia. Thus, vitamin B12 deficiency results in a range of complications affecting red blood cell production and function, leading to significant anemia. If you want to know which foods are rich in vitamin B12, comment Part 2.